Welcome back! Today we're unlocking the secret to sounding like a native English speaker. If you're stuck at the intermediate level, you're not alone. Many learners know the rules but still feel something's missing. Advanced English is about fluency, nuance, and thinking in English, not just memorizing vocabulary. I'll share practical strategies to help you break through that plateau, from immersion to mastering pronunciation. Ready to transform your English? Grab a notebook and let's dive in. By the end, you'll feel empowered to speak with confidence and authenticity. Immersion is key. Surround yourself with English every day. Switch your media, watch movies and shows in English, first with subtitles, then without. Listen to podcasts and music on topics you love. This exposes you to real-life slang and rhythm. Read books, articles, and news in English. Start easy, then challenge yourself. Change your phone and social media settings to English for daily vocabulary practice. Join online communities or forums about your hobbies to practice reading and writing authentically. The goal: make English a natural, enjoyable part of your life. Don't just study, use English to connect and express yourself. The more you immerse, the faster you'll progress. Build your own English world, wherever you are. Advanced English means mastering idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressive vocabulary. Learn new phrases in context, write down full sentences, not just definitions. Read challenging articles and classic literature to expand your vocabulary and see complex grammar in action. Keep a vocabulary journal with personal example sentences. Use synonyms and antonyms to add variety and precision to your speech. The richer your vocabulary web, the more dynamic your English will sound. Pronunciation and intonation are essential for clear, confident communication. Listen closely to native speakers. Notice how words connect and where stress falls. Try shadowing repeat audio clips in real time, mimicking rhythm and emotion. Use apps like Elsa Speak for feedback or Youglish to hear words in real context. Practice with movie scenes or podcasts to train your ear and mouth. Don't be afraid to sound silly. This is how you build natural fluency. The goals sound less like a textbook, more like a native. Stop translating in your head. Start thinking directly in English. Narrate your daily activities to yourself in English, even simple ones. Describe what you see or feel as you go about your day. Keep a daily journal in English. Don't worry about mistakes. If you don't know a word, describe it instead of translating. This rewires your brain for automatic, fluent English. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Make English your inner voice. At the advanced level, focus on sophisticated grammar, conditionals, inversions, and complex clauses. Spot these structures in your reading and analyze why they're used. Practice by writing essays or blog posts on topics you enjoy. Use tools like Grammarly for feedback, but learn from the suggestions. Writing helps you internalize advanced grammar and style. The more you experiment, the more precise and elegant your English will become. Theory is nothing without practice. Speak as much as possible. Find a language exchange partner or join speaking clubs online. Platforms like italki or Cambly offer conversation practice with real feedback. Participate in discussions, debates, or even comment sections to express your ideas. Every conversation builds confidence and fluency. Don't wait for perfection. Start using your English now. The more you speak, the more natural it will feel. Don't get comfortable. Challenge yourself to keep growing. Set goals like preparing for proficiency exams, even if you don't take them. Watch TED Talks or university lectures to expose yourself to advanced language. Try speed reading and summarizing articles to boost comprehension and processing speed. Push your limits with complex topics and fast-paced content. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Mastering English is a marathon. Consistency beats intensity. Set clear, achievable goals and track your progress. Celebrate small wins like using a new idiom or understanding a joke. Stay motivated by logging your achievements and reflecting on your growth. Bad days are normal. Don't let them stop you. Every step forward counts. Be patient, persistent, and enjoy the journey. Your path to advanced English is unique. Find what works for you. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Stay curious, keep practicing, and celebrate your progress. This skill will open doors to new experiences and connections. Thank you for joining me. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining.